Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can align multiple texts located differently at once. Let's examine the text alignment feature of the utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Text Modification menu appears, and click on Text Arrangement. Select the text and press Enter. Specify the arrange point, and the text will align horizontally. Let's change the text alignment to vertical. Type V on the keyboard, and press Enter. The text will be displayed aligned vertically. But the vertical spacing of the text is not even, right? Let's adjust the spacing. Type S on the keyboard and press Enter. Click 2 points to specify, and the text will align at equal spacing. Once aligned, click your desired location to set the position. It's convenient to use when adjusting the spacing of multiple texts. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to align multiple texts. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.